This is an example of how to use the poll feature. What you start off with is you go to My Polls, and you see I have a number of polls here. You can either create a poll, or you can edit a poll. Here I'm editing a poll, and here it's got a couple questions. In order to get started, all I have to do is connect to ansr.it, and it says the number that you need to connect to. So that's what I'm specifying here. You can see on your mobile device, you're connecting. And once you've connected, you can see you get that number, and I can say, begin the question, and then it shows the question. So how can you move a ship in space, right? And you can see that there's the option to answer right off your mobile device. It'll say, thanks, everyone has answered. So now if I choose, I can choose the results. 100% have answered all of the above. If we want to move to the next question, how do you feel about sci-fi movies now? And so here we're adding an emotion. You can type in text, but you can also add emojis as well. And there you go. Right? You see the text and the emojis appear, express what they are feeling, but also gives them the ability to add in some of the emoticons. It says summary, 100%. If you want, you can also hide. You can choose here to hide the questions menu. That's what I'm doing here. And you can see that the question menu is hidden. And then I can start the activity again. So that gives you a sense of the new polling feature.